The National Weather Service in Kansas has issued a tornado warning for Sedgwick County until 6 p.m. At 3 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Topeka, moving Wichita at 130 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Overland Park around 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.